Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. In today's video, we'll share yet another interesting snack which will soon become a hot favorite at your home. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make an irresistible vegetable snack that is healthy and also very tasty. It's so crispy on the outside and yet so soft on the inside. Our recipe for today is crispy and tasty vegetable cutlets. Step 1. Preparing the potatoes. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 650 grams. On medium heat, boil the potatoes without removing the skin. Once the potatoes are done, turn off the heat. Remove the skin of the potatoes while they are still hot. Cut the potatoes into smaller pieces and then mash them using a fork or a potato masher while they are still hot. Make sure there are no lumps or hard pieces of potato remaining. Mashed potatoes are ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1 medium-sized carrot, cut it fine. The cut pieces of carrot should be around 1/3 cup. Now take around 8 to 9 French beans. Cut it fine. The cut French beans should be around 1/3 cup. Now take 1 small sized capsicum. Cut it fine. The cut capsicum should be around 1/3 cup. Take 2 tablespoons of sweet corn. 2 tablespoons of green peas. Also take 1 medium-sized onion and cut it very fine. Take 1 teaspoon of finely cut ginger. 1 teaspoon of garlic. We used around 6 medium-sized garlic cloves. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them very fine. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Take 1/3 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of Goan Spice powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. Take 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for adding in the cutlet mixture. 2 tablespoons of corn flour for coating. 1/4 cup of semolina or rava for coating. 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for coating. Corn flour for coating. Step 3. Preparing the vegetable mixture. On medium heat, in a thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 2 minutes, add the finely cut garlic and stir. After around a minute, add the finely cut ginger and stir. Now add the finely cut green chilies. Stir everything nicely. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, reduce the heat to low. Add the coriander powder. Also add the cumin or jeera powder, Goan Spice powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric or haldi powder, salt. Stir everything nicely. Press the link which appears on the top right hand corner of your screen now for the recipe to prepare Goan Spice powder. This link is also provided in the description box. Add the lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything properly. Add the finely cut carrot and stir. Add the finely cut French beans and sweet corn. Stir everything properly. Add another 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything properly. Add the green peas and stir. Increase the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent the things from sticking to the pan. Try to mash the green peas slightly so that it does not pop out while making the cutlets. Add the finely cut capsicum and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Mix everything properly. Once cooked, reduce the heat to low and add the mashed potato. Mix nicely to combine everything properly. Check for salt and add if required. Put the heat off. Add the finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Set aside to cool. Once cooled, add the breadcrumbs. Mix everything nicely. It is best to keep it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Or you can also make the cutlets immediately if you are in a hurry. Vegetable mixture is ready. Step 4. Preparing the cutlets. To make corn flour slurry, add 1/4 cup of water in 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it nicely. Ensure that there are no lumps. It should be liquidy but not very thick. In a plate, take 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, then add 1/4 cup of semolina or rava. This mixture will be used for coating. Mix it well and spread it. Apply oil on your palm and fingers before making the cutlets, as this will prevent the mixture from sticking to your hand. Take a portion of the vegetable mixture in your hand, press it together and roll it on the palm of your hand and form a round shape. Then shape it in the form of a cutlet, or you can make any shape that you desire. Dip the cutlet in corn flour powder and coat it completely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then dip the cutlet in corn flour slurry and remove it using a fork or spatula and place it in the breadcrumb and semolina coating mixture. Turn and coat the cutlets on all sides using the coating mixture. Shape the cutlet properly and ensure that there are no cracks. Once the cutlets are ready, they can be kept in the refrigerator for an hour to dry up, or they can also be fried immediately. Similarly, prepare the remaining cutlets. Keep all the cutlets ready before frying. We prepared around 6 cutlets for now and kept the remaining cutlet mixture in the refrigerator for later use. In total, we got around 12 cutlets. Step 5. Frying the cutlets. On medium heat, in an open, thick bottom pan, add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the cutlets one by one. Do not add too many cutlets and crowd the pan, as the temperature of the oil will fall. Once the cutlets are cooked on one side, turn them to cook the other side. Once the cutlets are cooked on both sides, remove them from the pan. Place the cutlets on the paper napkin to soak the excess oil. Delicious hot and crispy vegetable cutlets are ready. Serve the vegetable cutlets hot and crispy with tomato ketchup and green chutney. You can also use these cutlets to make sandwiches or veg cutlet pound.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.